Christmas tree, oh Christmas tree, this song has many versions. Oh Christmas tree, this song has many versions. The carol is translated from a German song, O Tannenbaum. That's why the song, oh Christmas tree, has many different versions. Oh Christmas tree, now no one knows your lyrics. Oh Christmas tree, now no one knows your lyrics. So when we gather round to sing, we mostly mumble everything. Oh Christmas tree, oh Christmas tree, oh Christmas tree, I've given up on singing you. Oh Christmas tree, I've given up on singing you. I won't perform it vocally, but only instrumentally.